Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna be walking you through an easy guide on how to add product to Stand Store. So if you want to add product to your Stand Store, here's a quick guide on a straightforward method on how you can easily get it done within a minute. So let's quickly dive into it. So if you want to add a product to your Stand Store, you have to log in into your Stand Store account or go to your website, which is stand.store, and sign in. Then from there, once logged in, click on your dashboard to view your store option. Then from there, you have to click add product, and this where you see all the kind of products you want to add. So after that, you have to choose a product type. So pick the type of product that you want to sell, such as digital product, coaching or consultant calls, physical product, freebie lead magnet, or link or services. Then from there, after that, you have to add title to your product details, add subscription, add price for your product, and make your description clear and easy to understand. And after that, you have to upload your file or link. So if it's a digital product, you have to click upload file, and if it's just normal regular product, you have to upload your booking page or video, paste the URL as well if you don't have the video file or any file to attach to it. So you can just copy a URL from from YouTube or Vimeo. Then after that, you have to add a product image. So upload a cover image or thumbnail that represents your product very well. And after that, you can click save and publish the product, and your product will now appear live in your Stand Store. And that's how you can easily add product to your Stand Store. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.